Hi, this is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We've been in business for 9 years now and we've been having a blast. Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting was founded all those years ago with 5 core values. I shared the first one, deliver value, with you the other day. Today, I want to tell you about the second of our core values. And it's as simple as this: keep moving forward. At Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, we believe that life is about building momentum early and keeping the gas on, keeping the fire stoked, keeping your focus on the horizon and working in that direction. It's a way of life, folks. Thanks for joining us today for our second core value. I'll see you next time for number 3.